If you're still trying to make money online, then you really need to hear this, because the people who are making money online are not always the smartest ones or the hardworking ones. They are simply people who are solving problems using technology, using AI or digital skills that people or businesses are willing to pay for, or they are already paying for. So if you want to start making money online, all you need to do is to learn one of these skills that solves a particular problem, and then you start looking for clients that needs this and offer it to them, and they will pay you for solving a problem for them. So I have put together a step-by-step guide on what skill you can actually learn, how you can actually deliver the skills, and how you can get customers for this particular skills. And if you need this guide, just DM me guide or comment the word guide, and I will send it over to you.